For years, the camera industry has sold us a massive lie. They convinced us that if you want to capture truly cinematic, breathtaking footage that looks like a Hollywood production, you need to carry a heavy backpack full of gear. You need a massive DSLR camera, a collection of heavy glass lenses, a complex external microphone, and a giant mechanical stabilizer that takes 15 minutes to set up before you can even press record. We accepted this burden because we thought it was the only way to achieve professional quality. But a quiet revolution has been taking place in the engineering labs, and the rules of physics and optics have officially been rewritten. The DJI Osmo Pocket 5 is not just another minor upgrade in a long line of portable gadgets. It is a ruthless, highly sophisticated disruption that renders traditional bulky camera rigs obsolete. What DJI has managed to pack into a device that literally slides into your pocket defies everything we knew about sensor dynamics, mechanical stabilization, and computational filmmaking. If you think this is just a toy for casual vloggers or a simple action camera, you are completely missing the shift that is happening right now in the media landscape. This tiny machine changes the economics of storytelling forever. In this video, we are going to expose the hidden engineering breakthroughs, the controversial design choices, and the mind-blowing capabilities that make this silent little pocket beast the most dangerous tool a creator can own. To truly understand how we reach this point, we have to look at the psychological friction of creating content. Think about how many times you've witnessed a perfect moment, a stunning sunset, a spontaneous interaction, an incredible travel scene. And by the time you pulled out your camera, attached the lens, and balanced your stabilizer, the magic was completely gone. Or worse, you resorted to using your smartphone, only to end up with shaky, digital-looking footage that lacks any sense of depth or cinematic emotion. Smartphones have advanced, but they are limited by their flat physical shape, meaning they have to rely on aggressive software tricks and digital smoothing that makes video look artificial. DJI looked at this fundamental problem and realized that true cinematic beauty requires physical, mechanical grace combined with massive optical data. The Osmo Pocket 5 handles this by utilizing a true 3-axis mechanical gimbal that operates on micro-brushless motors, spinning at thousands of calculations per second. It doesn't try to digitally fix a shaky shot after the fact. It actively prevents the shake from ever hitting the sensor in the first place. When you walk, run, or move through a chaotic crowd, the lens floats through the air like a ghost, completely untethered from the tremors of your hand. It delivers a level of buttery smoothness that makes everyday life look like a big-budget movie track shot. But a smooth shot means nothing if the image quality itself feels cheap. This is where DJI pulled off an engineering miracle that has left traditional camera manufacturers scrambling. Historically, pocket-sized cameras were plagued by tiny sensors that performed terribly in anything less than perfect, blazing sunlight. The moment you stepped indoors or walked down a city street at night, the footage would dissolve into a grainy, muddy mess of digital noise. The Osmo Pocket 5 shatters this limitation by introducing a revolutionary, massive stacked sensor, paired with a custom computational optics engine. This sensor features physical pixels that are dramatically larger than anything ever attempted in a device of this form factor. When light